Greetings from Solved Gadgets. We value the love and support you showed for our video content. So here is the second edition of the selection of amazing, cool gadgets, tools, and equipment for auto repair shop. Let us proceed to the video. If you're looking for a way to move your automobile in a small area or as accurately as possible, such as during exhibits or parking lots, these dollies would come in handy. The company provides 6 variants with various functionalities. The lightest version, which weighs 37 pounds, can support a weight of up to 1,025 pounds. The largest one comes with a 53-pound weight capacity and can support a weight of up to 1,750 pounds. To move the automobile, you would require 2 sets of dollies. However, one pair is plenty enough if you only intend to spin the automobile. It can be moved easily with just one person's work because of the design's ability to be operated with either hands or feet. Furthermore, the unique rollers work with the tires as softly as possible, and the dollies are low enough that there is almost no chance of scratching the paintwork. These dollies has a standard rate of $400 per unit. Although an impact wrench is a useful and effective tool, your hands will be placed under a lot of pressure using one. Moreover, using it in confined locations might be challenging. However, these drawbacks are no longer an issue. With the aid of this trolley, you may utilize the impact wrench on vehicles and trucks to its fullest potential. This trolley possesses convenient seat as well as its wheels and brakes provided both freedom of movement and sturdiness. The tool can support an impact wrench weighing up to 44 pounds, despite the fact that the variant weighs 168 pounds. It has 2 storage spaces for fasteners, tools, and accessories, as well as vibration dampening. This version, which costs about $4,100, is appropriate for both residential and corporate use. Why doesn't someone make a seat and a toolbox into one? This is a factor that the experts from the United Kingdom have, however, considered, and therefore they've developed the following organizer seat. The concept is quite adaptable, and it comes with 2 folding side trays for bike nuts and bolts, among other things. A segment devoted to screwdrivers, drills, as well as other equipment that are also appropriate for glasses. It has 3 sliding and movable drawers that would be utilized for tools such as wrenches. This variant is 16 inches tall, and the thick vinyl lining ensures that the seat lasts for an adequate amount of time. This innovative structure weighs 29 pounds, and it can handle up to 300 pounds of weight. Furthermore, components that are resistant to grease have been employed to build the swivel wheels. For this awesome product, you have to pay $233. This portable machine workstation would be advantageous for processing rubber wheels on various production lines, as well as in auto repair facilities. The rubber wheels, with a diameter of 85 inches and a weight of 22 pounds, may well be handled and carried by the machine. There is also an update option that can accommodate rubber tires up to 95 inches. This machine workstation offers an intriguing 3-position gripper solution that minimizes the possibility of tire damage or harm. Rubber tires can be grabbed, lifted, tilted, and relocated by a single qualified technician. Together with it, it's equipped with a camera that, because of its IR mode, performs well even in dim lighting and comes in a variety of configurations. A comprehensive solution based on the Lindy L1620 pallet truck that is incorporated with an existing stacker. The designers of this vehicle jack believes that it's going to be completely different as compared to other automobile jacks that any user has ever come across. Users won't need to bother with lengthy modifications or installation for the jack. With just one press of a button, the lifting is accomplished. The company has numerous versions available, and they suggest using a special calculator to assist customers pick the best one for their automobile. The gadget may well be folded to a height of 3 inches, and because to its useful design, the undercarriage is easily accessible. With this automobile jack, the maximum load weight is 7,000 pounds, and the automobile may be raised 21 inches in less than a minute due to the effective propulsion system. Safety is guaranteed by the automatic locking technology used in this car jack. And the elevator's dimensions are so small that it can be stowed against a wall. Have you ever considered elevating your automobile with an electric drill? Your vehicle would be elevated by up to 25 inches by just hooking it up to this lift, which takes around 30 seconds. With the help of this gadget, which enables you to operate with vehicles like minivans, pickup trucks, and vans. The maximum lifting weight is 6,600 pounds. There is no electrical or hydraulic system, which is another characteristic of this gadget design. By using 2 gear units and Acme screws, hoisting is accomplished. Furthermore, the elevator is incredibly adaptable and appropriate for demonstrations as well as repair businesses or vehicle washes. The set version comes with highly specialized side step pads and adjustable skids. The lift is 95 pounds heavy. This system developers are confident that you can utilize this to make your repair endeavor a magnificent success. Anybody engaged in intricate renovation work would find it useful since it enables rapid access to any area of the body. It is manageable by one person and capable of supporting up to 3,000 pounds. For convenience, it is fitted with wheels, and a variety of variables, including height and tilt angle, may well be modified. The unique locking rollers allow for seamless functioning. The fact that the system is energy independent is a huge benefit. This gadget has a price tag of $1,500. In the purest meaning of the phrase, mechanic work is exceedingly labor-intensive. Certain components of trucks and buses and their braking systems can sometimes weigh as much as 154 pounds. This equipment facilitates and expedites the repair of hubs, calipers, etc. In certain circumstances, the manufacturers are hopeful that it will cut labor expenses by 50%. This technology guarantees 100% alignment of the hub and axle while protecting the transmission's elements and components, lowering the likelihood of health issues, including joint discomfort. Moreover, it works with all calipers positioned in any of the 3 arc positions, 3, 9, and 12-2. 2 dollies are included and they are fully loaded with all the necessary adapters. The complete maintenance procedure may well be managed by one person. And the straightforward control scheme lowers the danger even further. When you spend a lot of time working underneath an automobile, your limbs frequently become stiff and your back starts to suffer. This would be disruptive and makes it difficult to focus on the repair, increasing the likelihood that you'll make a mistake. This creeper's modest profile and ergonomic design work together to deliver dependable and comfortable support. It measures 41 inches long, has 6 casters, and can support up to 300 pounds. The polymer material inserts are used to cushion the back, shoulder, and neck regions. The sides include tool niches, while the top has metal inserts that may be used with flashlights. And the color red likely increases movement speed by 15%. This creeper will cost you $90.